Going down a fucking steep hill right now, bruh. I'm all acting stupid right now. It's fun, but at the same time, it's immature.
Oh my god,
dude, we gained so much speed in that little bit of time. Oh fuck. Yo. Alright, good, we're on flat ground a little bit. Kinda, not that much, but
you guys want to go down that?
No, we
on,
Gucci. Alright, let's do it.
Oh, get my video camera.
Let's do it. I did, because I'm a badass. Fuck.
That's cheap territory. I'm sorry. That's not my truck territory.
My fucking daughter, man, she's too much, bro.
Hey, can you hand me a soda?
Yeah, what kind?
It doesn't matter.
There you go, man. But yeah, nah, Nick, my daughter's too much. She's hilarious. She's here, I'm just gonna. No, I'm not gonna cut it. Oh hell no! Oh, thank God I didn't cut it. I didn't cut the video because look at that.
Oh, this is nothing. This is a vagina.
Huh?
This is nothing.
It's scarier to me. Your fucking first time trying to do this shit. Like.
Ain't nothing.
Oh fuck! Volcano of dirt. Oh man. But Jesus Christ. So yeah, see, that's why I feel safe with your brother, because he got control of shit. I think. Hopefully.
Optical illusion, guys. Optical illusion. We just get out of shit. Okay.
Oh hey.
No, not okay. I said okay.
Oh, I think you said
Dude, I tell you what, this son of a bitch is funny with snow on the ground.
Oh man. Hey, and I told my girl, the one that broke up with me.
Yeah, you can tell her. Fuck you, bitch.
No, I told her I wasn't coming out here. I'm about to post this shit on Facebook. Is that okay with you, Nick?
Rebel!
Is that okay with you, Nick? Okay, I'm just asking. Well, because you're in it. That's why.
Well, okay.
I don't want, like, you know what I mean? With all, like, the cops and shit, you know?
You best not involve me with some po-po.
No, but you know what I mean? But, like, people, you know, cops look at fucking Facebooks. Huh?
They do?
Yes.
Ooh, I suppose we saw talking about drugs.
Exactly.
I don't care about weed? Alright, we go.
No real evidence on us to.
As I was gonna say, I'm a pothead. They're gonna discover that shit. Are you kidding me? They're convicting bitches on fucking Facebook with fingerprints.
With what?
Yeah, there's some dumb shit. I don't know.
So did I tell you guys my uncles? They got in a fight at Chemo's. My uncles got in a fight at Chemo's together. Huh?
That's crazy.
Yeah, and no, it's funny shit, because they were both drunk, right? And they were like, my I don't know, it kind of ticked off the youngest. He's not the youngest, he's 20 something. Either way, no, he's not 20. He's in his 30. The other one's 42. Just turned 42. But either way, they they got into a bar fight at the bar, and they brought it outside.
That's usually where bar fights happen.
Yeah. They met up there though. They met. No, what I mean is, like, they met up there. They weren't there drinking. They met up there. We were at two separate barbecues. You know what I mean? And my uncle was having one at his house. The other one was having one at his apartment. So, that's what I mean. So yeah, they got into a fight. Cops came and arrested both of them. One was out before the other. The other one got out at 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock at night, and the other one stayed in one night. Because the oldest one had 15 years ago, he what is it called? He hit a girl.
Oh.
Almost killed her.
That's not good.
Yeah, well, what happened was they were both drunk. These people. My uncles have they're alcoholics.
Right.
Like fucking breed on alcoholics. Like they drink like they're fucking Irish.
Huh.
You know what I mean? How Irish people don't know when to stop. Not talking shit, but you know.
I know.
Yeah, it's crazy shit. So they don't know when to stop. So they didn't stop. Wait, this is what we came through here, didn't we? We did, huh? Either way, yeah, they went to jail though. So that's what happened. My uncle hit that one girl, and he went to jail for a year, or prison or something like that.
Yeah.
And did you guys know that if you're incarcerated, they can only incarcerate you in jail for an extent?
Really? Only an extent.
Not like an extent, but like, you know, what is it called? Like they can't keep you in there for more than 1 year or something like that. In jail, you have to go to prison. You know?
Yeah, anything more less than a year and a day.
Yeah, you go to prison for it.
Right.
So, yeah, I didn't know that. Until I was in there making spreads and talking shit, chopping it up through the vents in Franklin County. There was a guy that got shot in his leg, both legs, and he it happened there, I believe, in Pasco. He got shot in both legs. Yeah, because he shot at a cop. Oh shit! Oh my God. Jesus Christ. This truck whips me around, bro. Adam's smart. He put his seatbelt on. Oh my fucking God. Oh, wait, it's not that bad. Wait, maybe it is. You know who you remind me of, Nick? Dude, so there was a guy on... Can I throw my popcat out?
No.
We can't?
Throw it through that windshield right in the middle there.
Oh.
No.
That's what I mean. Oh, shit. There's a bee. There's a bee. People say rolling coal is polluting the earth. You guys think it that way too?
No.
I don't either. I really don't. Man. This guy amazes me. No homo shit, bro. I'm just saying. Like I've never been like in this situation, you know?
Stand right there while I do a donut.
All right, I will. Because I'm still recording. Oh shit! Is it close? All right. Right here? still tough though. That was fucking crazy. Oh God. Well.
I don't know about you, but I'm kind of hungry, man. Make some fucking hamburger.
Let's do it. God damn it, bro. Look at my short ass can't get in here like that. I'm like a little bitch when it comes compared to this shit.
Well, I guess I can just barbecue right here in the bed.
That's redneck style right there. Jesus, that shit's funny. Yeah, I lost my wallet up here, dude.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Me and my homie came in my little car. We got stuck 3 times. Just look at his tires, they ate up the grass. Jesus, Nick. Some crazy shit.
Adam, put some tunes on.
That's some crazy shit. This fucking engine feels so warm. You have halos or HIDs? Those are halos, huh? Nick. Those are halos, huh?
Yeah. Nighttime's gonna be fun with videos.
Yep.